Nutella. Just hearing the name brings a smile. It's chocolatey, it's nutty, it's simply delicious. People all over love Nutella. It's perfect on toast, crepes, or straight from the jar. But did you know you can bake with Nutella too? Get ready to become a Nutella star. We're diving into easy, yummy Nutella dessert recipes. Get ready for a delicious adventure. Before we begin, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need Nutella, of course, eggs, flour, sugar, milk, vanilla extract, and salt. You will also need these tools: bowls, a whisk, measuring cups and spoons, a baking pan, and oven mitts. Now that we have everything, let's start baking. Get ready for gooey chocolatey goodness with these Nutella lava cakes. Imagine a dessert that combines the rich, creamy texture of Nutella with the warm, molten center of a lava cake. It's a match made in dessert heaven, perfect for any occasion, whether it's a cozy night in or a special celebration. Step 1. Preheat your oven. Set it to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. This is crucial to ensure that your cakes bake evenly and achieve that perfect molten center. Step 2. Grease your baking pan. Use butter or cooking spray. This will stop the cakes from sticking. Make sure to coat the entire surface, including the sides, to make it easier to remove the cakes once they're done. Step 3. Make the batter. In a bowl, whisk together 1 egg, 1/4 cup flour, 1/4 cup sugar, and a pinch of salt. The key here is to mix until just combined. Overmixing can make the cakes dense instead of light and airy. Step 4. Add the Nutella. Gently fold in 1/4 cup of Nutella into the batter. Don't overmix. The Nutella should be well incorporated but still maintain some of its creamy texture, which will contribute to the molten center. Step 5. Pour the batter. Divide the batter evenly into 2 greased ramekins. This ensures that each cake bakes uniformly. You can use a spoon or a small ladle to make this process easier and less messy. Step 6. Bake. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes. The edges should be set and the center should be slightly jiggly. This is the secret to achieving that perfect molten center. Keep an eye on them, as overbaking will result in a fully set center, losing the lava effect. Time for the best part: eating. Serve your Nutella lava cakes warm, perhaps with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or a dollop of whipped cream. The contrast between the hot, gooey center and the cold ice cream is simply divine. Enjoy every bite of this decadent dessert. Section 4. Nutella milkshakes, a sip of creamy heaven. Cool down with this simple Nutella milkshake recipe. Step 1. Grab your blender. Add 1 cup of cold milk, 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream, and 2 heaping tablespoons of Nutella. Step 2. Blend it up. Blend until smooth and creamy. Step 3. Pour and enjoy. Pour into a tall glass and top with whipped cream and a drizzle of Nutella. This is the perfect treat for a hot day. Section 5. Nutella lattes, a morning coffee treat. Start your day with a special treat: a Nutella latte. Imagine the rich, creamy taste of Nutella combined with the bold flavor of coffee. It's a delightful way to kickstart your morning and indulge in a little luxury. Whether you're at home or at a cozy cafe, this drink is sure to bring a smile to your face. Step 1. Brew your coffee. You can use a French press, an espresso machine, or even a simple drip coffee maker. The key is to make a strong, robust coffee that will complement the sweetness of the Nutella. Take your time to brew it to perfection, as this will be the base of your delicious latte. Make a shot of espresso or strong coffee. If you prefer a more intense flavor, go for a double shot. The rich, concentrated coffee will balance out the creamy Nutella, creating a harmonious blend of flavors. Step 2. Warm the milk. You can do this on the stove, in a saucepan, or in the microwave. The goal is to get the milk hot but not boiling. Warm milk will help the Nutella melt smoothly and blend well with the coffee. Heat half a cup of milk in a saucepan or microwave. Make sure to stir occasionally to prevent a skin from forming on the milk. If you're using the microwave, heat it in short bursts and stir in between to ensure even heating. Step 3. Add the Nutella. Take 1 to 2 tablespoons of Nutella and add it to the warm milk. The amount can be adjusted based on your preference for sweetness and richness. The Nutella will start to melt as soon as it hits the warm milk. Stir in 1 to 2 tablespoons of Nutella to the warm milk until melted and combined. Use a spoon or a small whisk to mix it thoroughly. The goal is to create a smooth, chocolatey milk that will blend perfectly with your coffee. Step 4. Froth it up. Frothing the milk adds a luxurious texture to your latte. You can use a milk frother or a simple whisk. The idea is to create a layer of foam that will sit beautifully on top of your drink. Use a milk frother or whisk to create a layer of foam. If you don't have a frother, you can also shake the warm milk in a jar with a lid until it becomes frothy. This foam will add a delightful texture to your Nutella latte. Step 5. Assemble your latte. Start by pouring the espresso into a mug. Then add the Nutella milk, making sure to mix it well with the coffee. Finally, spoon the foam on top to create a beautiful layered effect. Pour the espresso into a mug, add the Nutella milk, and spoon the foam on top. You can also sprinkle a little cocoa powder or cinnamon on the foam for an extra touch of flavor and presentation. Enjoy a taste of Italy with your morning coffee. Pair your Nutella latte with a fresh pastry or biscotti for a truly indulgent breakfast experience. Savor each sip and let the rich flavors transport you to a cozy cafe in Italy. Section 6. Beyond the basics, more Nutella adventures. Nutella isn't just for spreading on toast or dipping your favorite fruits. It's a versatile ingredient that can elevate a variety of dishes, both sweet and savory. Let's dive into some creative ways to use Nutella in your kitchen. Want to explore more Nutella delights? The possibilities are endless. From breakfast to dessert, Nutella can be the star of any meal. Imagine starting your day with a Nutella-infused breakfast or ending it with a decadent Nutella dessert. The options are only limited by your imagination. Nutella brownies. Swirl Nutella into your favorite brownie batter for a fudgy, nutty twist. The rich, creamy texture of Nutella adds an extra layer of indulgence to the classic brownie. Perfect for a special occasion or just a cozy night in. Nutella stuffed cookies. Create a Nutella surprise by adding a dollop of Nutella to the center of your cookie dough before baking. When you take a bite, you'll be greeted with a gooey, chocolatey center that's sure to delight. Nutella pancakes. Spread Nutella on warm pancakes for a sweet and simple breakfast treat. The combination of fluffy pancakes and creamy Nutella is a match made in heaven. Add some fresh fruit or a sprinkle of nuts for an extra special touch. Let your creativity run wild and see what Nutella masterpieces you can create. Whether you're baking, cooking, or just looking for a quick snack, Nutella can add a delicious twist to any dish. So grab a jar and start experimenting in the kitchen today. Section 7. Serving up smiles, tips and tricks. Here are some final tips for Nutella success. Warm Nutella is easier to spread. Microwave it for a few seconds for a gooey, spreadable treat. Don't overbake Nutella desserts. They are best served slightly warm and gooey. Store Nutella at room temperature. This will keep it spreadable and delicious. With these tips and recipes, you're ready to become a Nutella dessert master. Happy baking!